Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in using the SriLankan Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Check-in button. So for this, you have to type in your last name, the one that's on the airport passport. And then you have to type your booking reference and then or the ticket number, so either or. And then just click on the check-in button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.